Hello guys, welcome back to another video to our channel. It's my favorite time of the year. It's the Christmas day. It's the 24th of December. So today we're going for Christmas carol. Woo! Hello guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Let Amy, not Amy. Me and Amy Grace will go for Christmas carol. We'll dance